smart relay takes control of the garage door by receiving a closing or opening signal from a programmed remote control or directly from the Tuya Smart application. In order to remotely control the smart relay, you need to download the Tuya Smart application. This way, you will be able to open or close the garage door or the entrance gate to the yard from a distance, from another location, or from the car in front of the house. The application will warn you if you forgot the garage door open, or it will warn you if someone wants to break into your home. The installation of the relay is very easy to do if you follow the instruction in the product manual carefully.